Hello again. Now today I want to cover the Dewalt DW960 right angled 18 volt drill. It's one of the last generation drills. As you can see, it's got the magazine type instead of the slide on type battery. But they're very, very reliable, very trustworthy. I've had a whole range of these tools 15 years or more, and they're slowly letting me down bit by bit, but not much. Not as much as I would have expected, and certainly not as much as would have happened had I got some cheaper range. This one, however, has been sitting in the workshop limping for quite some time. It's a nice tool. Works lovely. Except the reverse switch gone. So it only goes forward. Not a lot of use having a right angle screwdriver that only tightens up. Okay, it can be used as a drill, but getting in awkward places for screwdriver work is its key purpose. So it's been sitting there not wanting to work properly. Straight away I went to the dealers, looked online for replacement. They don't do just that bit, it's a whole piece switch unit. And it's coming in at £160, £156 plus that. It's a lot of money. I think the drill is cheaper than that, new. I think you can buy the bare bones drill for about 180 quid. That is like that. They'll cost you 60, 70 quid. But you can buy that without charger, without box, without case, all that sort of stuff, for about 170 quid. So you won't go and go buy a switch. But even that, I wanted to restore this one. Not throw it away and buy another one. So what do? I bide my time and I wait. Lo and behold, eBay. 30 quid. The same machine. Just a lot older, a lot tattier. You can see it's the earlier generation. It's got the steel chuck instead of the rubber chuck. I put the rubber chucks on because they're a lot better to grip. These can burn your hands a bit. But everything else is the same. So, I've got a switch there for 30 quid. Now I've got a choice, I can just leave it like that and use it like that, nothing wrong. I don't see why not. But it's a lot nicer, and I like to keep tools clean, as you've seen. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to change the switch for the DW960. So let's get to it. First thing we do, remove the batteries of both of them and get them stripped down. Now, like with all tools, remember what you're doing. If you don't, get some photos taken. I've pulled these things apart quite a lot, so I'm not going to need to bother. But get some photos taken so you know how it all goes back together again. Zoom in and let's pull it to bits. Now, as always with these Dewalt things, they are torque screws. For some reason they have this belief that we will not take them apart if they put these screws in. Well, we will tell them, we will. Now what I'll do is, as I'm taking it apart, I'll form two piles. One for this drill and one for the other drill, and that way I'm not getting anything mixed up. I'm thinking I've got something extra that I haven't got. You always get the odd one that's out of reach. And the next one. Okay, there we are. I'm comparing. We've got this bit is missing, and on this I just hardwired it together because it was missing, so I couldn't change it over anymore. So So all I need to do is take this off. But look at the condition of that. That one's lovely because I've cleaned it. But that one is really, but it would do for spares. So I will not complain. Everything else looks okay. Right, again, tip this one out and remove this switch as well. And that's it. Okay, now, when you feel you need, give it all a good clean up and put it back. Now there's no replaceable bushes in these. We're going to swap that over to that, put that one to one side, assemble this one. And yeah, I could make a switch, because it's only a changeover, and just a little toggle switch, if I wanted, into that one. But main thing is getting this one back in order. Now this part is all nice and clean and sorted. I don't need to touch that. The gearbox working beautiful, the motor's working beautiful, everything's clean. That is off the old one, so I'm going to give that a clean up. And this wants some attention, just wants a good clean. And make sure all the battery connections are nice. It's looking a little bit pushed out of place there. So I'll pay a bit of attention to that first. Then we just put it back together again. Very simple. Right, like I said, all I've done is just given it all a good check over, the switch in particular, going through it, making sure that everything is clean and still very serviceable, which it all is. So, should we try a bit of dry silica spray in that, because it seems very stiff to operate. Little arrowhead signs in there, but they're missing. Little paint pen probably would have just dropped into there and made it look new again, but I don't have one at the moment, and I'm not that bothered. Right, but everything else clean and ready to go back together. So, bodies, I'll give them a good wash. So they're ready again. Now, starting off, putting in the body. Again, just checking. Now all we do again is we just connect these two connections on, making sure the switch is facing the correct way around. And you can tell because there is a red mark on the motor showing you where the red wire goes. Just there. Red wire, red mark. So you can't really even get the switch the wrong way around, but pay attention to it just in case. And that then just sits in there, back into its body. The changeover switch, gear change, which is here, just sits onto them two lugs there, and then slides into the body, like so. Make sure the switch is all in place like it wants to be. Now it is. It's better. There. The trigger sits in there, sits against the switch. Because it's neither way. Right, when it's in the centre, it stops it moving. That's the idea of it. Yes, gotcha. Right. Screwdriver holder slots in there. Everything else is okay. Put the front cover on. Unscrew together. washer on that seems a head a little bit there. Better. Okay. There we go, all done, sorted. Right, so there you are. That's, again, another tool serviced and ready for a lot more life. Right, well, if you've got any comments about what I've done, just stick them in the bottom. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Catch you again next time. Bye for now.